What's going on, guys? Back out on the water today, on the river today. I'm fishing a little small river. I didn't get out here early today. It's about noon. We got storms in the area. I was waiting on them to pass by. I still might get wet, but it's cooled off. It's in the middle 80s, and feels great out here. Hopefully I won't get struck by lightning. I don't mind getting a little wet, but don't want to get caught up in a thunderstorm. But I'm out on the river today, and I'm going to see if I can catch some spotted bass and maybe some largemouths. There's a few largemouths in here, mostly spots and red eyes. But probably going to throw that chatterbait. I've been catching them on that chatterbait pretty good. I'm going to stay with it, and maybe a spinner bait and some top water, maybe a wake bait or something. I've got a couple with me. I may throw them. Depends on how active the bass are. Water feels good. It's not hot. It's actually cool right here, but of course it's rapids. But it's cooler weather. Maybe it'll turn them on. I hope so. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brand, and you're watching the Dude Fish channel. Welcome to the channel. So y'all come along with me, and let's catch some fish. Little small bass, little spot. Small spot. He was in the rapids up there on that chatterbait. On that chatterbait, guys, they've been catching them on there. I got a pretty big trailer on there. This is a Yum trailer, 5.5 inch. I've cut it down a little bit, but it's got a big profile on it. See if I can catch some bigger fish on it. There he is. Well, that's a pretty good one. And small. He crushed it. Buzzbait. Crushed it. Little spot. A red line 1/2 ounce buzzbait. Guys, got a number 2 trailer hook on there and a Zoom spinnerbait trailer. Little small guy. Look it, he missed it and hooked himself in the back. Little guy. Little bitty guy. There he is. That's a little better one there. Yeah, he's about the biggest one so far. He's not a giant by no means. It's real shallow right here. I saw him come from about 10 foot away and get it. He hit it doing about 100 miles an hour. Ooh, there he is. Big, crushed that thing. He's not big. He crushed that wake bait, son. Crushed that thing. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Somebody, a little bigger fish that can crush it. He's not a giant, but that's a bomber wake bait, just a double jointed wake bait, bone color. Seen him come out of nowhere and he smoked it. I'm having small ones, even brim, follow it about every throw, but finally got one to crush it. There you go. A small spot on the wake bait. Bait's almost big as he is. He hit it though. He smashed it. Get it on top of one, they're gonna react to it, that's for sure. Lots of small ones following it, but I hadn't caught a decent fish yet. Maybe 1.5 pounds, the biggest one. God damn, what a bass. Son. What a bass. Holy shit. I think it was a bass. Wow. There's a bass. This bitch was 10 pounds. Don't think it was a gar. Wow, that was a freaking huge fish, whatever it was. Oh, he's got my spinnerbait in his mouth. He's angry. He's jumping up and down with it. Damn. I think that's a bass, man. That's a huge damn fish. I think I got it on video. He jumped over that damn log. Holy shit. There he is. Good fish. Biggest one of the day. Biggest one of the day. Definitely the biggest one of the day. I had to take about a 2-hour rain delay. Had come a thunderstorm. Rained hard for about 2 hours. I sat up under a tree with my rain jacket on, and it's got the muddy. It's got the water stained now, but caught the biggest fish of the day. Hopefully I can get a couple more before dark. Put on the spinnerbait with that water getting muddy on me. Chartreuse has got a little blue in it and white. I don't have any Colorado blades. Hopefully I can catch some on the spinnerbait. There he is. Fish. This stained water's catching bigger fish than it was when it was clear. That's for sure. He's no giant, but he's a little bigger than what I was catching when the water was clear. Stained up now, I'm catching a little better fish. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's trip. Weird trip today. Started out cloudy, fished for about an hour and a half, and the bottom fell out. Rained for 2 solid hours, hard. Water started out clear, and it got muddy on me. Not muddy, but pretty dingy. Caught a bunch of little ones before the rain, no big ones, and ones I caught after the rain when the water was murky, they was a little bit bigger, but didn't catch but like 2 or 3 after the rain. Tough day. I thought I'd do good. It cooled down a lot and stayed cloudy pretty much all day. Guess that's how it goes sometimes, but that's gonna do it. I'm fixing to head to the house. Thanks for the support, guys. We'll catch you out on the water.